Hello, our people. Today we're going to be starting a new lesson called Vowel Caterpillars where we will make vowel caterpillars. The first thing that we're going to need is some mixed media paper. The next thing we need is a pencil from our alligators. In the bottom right corner, write your name and your class, which is K for kindergarten, and the first letter of your teacher's last name. Now we're going to need stencils. If you're the puppy dog, you can get this box that says stencils and give everybody at your table one bag. You do not need the rulers, so don't worry about the sticks. And you do not need the circle thing in there. But in your Ziploc bag, everybody is going to get out their blue circle tracer. Now you are going to use the tracer to make circles. You want the circles to be touching because we're making a caterpillar. So draw a circle, then move your stencil so that the next circle touches it, and continue until you fill up the page. And your circles can go up and down because your caterpillar can be going up and down. I would like you to have 6 circles if you can. 7 would be great because 6 circles would be 6 circles for the colors and 1 circle for the head. Sorry about my camera quality. I recorded this at school. You can put your stencil back in the bag and give your bag to the puppy dog, and they will put your stencils back. Puppy dog, just try your best to get the bags in there and close the box. If you can't do it, that's okay. You just do your best. Kitty cats need to get out the oil pastels. They're in a box that look like this. They are all organized by color. So make sure you don't mix up the colors. And wait until I tell you what color to get out. You have to wait until I tell you what color to use. So don't get anything out yet. Okay, first you're going to get the red. And on the second circle, you're going to lightly color the red. Lightly. There should still be some white poking through in this circle because you're doing it lightly. Put the red back. Organizing these a little bit. And then we only have one of these oil droppers per table, so you'll have to share. 1 dot of oil, rub with your finger. Now, everybody can have a paper towel. They're at your station. The alligators can get them. You wipe your finger. It's going to stain a little, but it's okay. If we have time, we'll wash our hands at the end. Next, here we're going to make orange. So just do a little bit of red, less than before. And then you can put that back where it goes and get out yellow. Put that on top. And it's already going to start mixing a little bit. I know it's very exciting. 1 drop of oil again. 1 drop. And mix with the same exact finger. So only 1 finger is getting messy. Just 1, just our pointer. Okay, so now we have orange. You have your paper towel so you can wipe your finger. It will stain a little. It will come off eventually, probably by the end of the day. Next, we're doing yellow. So get to your yellow. Color the next circle lightly. The yellows do get a little dirty, so sorry if it has a little orange on it. 1 drop of oil and rub with your finger. And again, this might get a little bit orangey because your finger's not perfectly clean. That's okay. The next color we're going to make is a secret. You can rub your finger off there, or the oil pastel off your finger. But you're going to start with yellow. So color a lot of yellow. This color is going to take mostly yellow Okay? And a little bit of blue. Just a little. It won't work if you do a lot. 1 drop of oil and mix it together and you'll see what color it makes. It makes green. So yellow and blue make green. The next color is going to be blue. I accidentally colored mine green, so that's why it's green first. But you're going to color yours blue. And then you can just 1 drop of oil and mix. We'll blend. And the last circle is going to be our last color. You probably can guess what color we're going to make, but I'm not going to tell you. But I will tell you what 2 colors you're going to use. You're going to use a little bit of blue and a little bit of red. This color can get really dark, so don't add too much. You should still see a lot of white paper. 1 drop, and you can mix it together. And that one is purple. That is all we're doing today for this lesson. Next week, we're going to do some other stuff to it. So you just have to stay tuned. Go ahead and put the cat back on the oil. And double check to make sure all your oil pastels are organized correctly. See how I'm going through and I'm making sure all the purples are together, all the greens are together, all the blues are together. So just double check that everything is where it should go. Okay? And then you guys can, my kitty cats can put the oil pastel boxes back where they were. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.